In this video, we're going to go through an example of an advertisement done right. It's one of my favorite examples. I always like to share this example whenever talking about advertising and how to make an effective ad. And so the concept is simple here. It's show the problem and then show the solution. And so you'll probably see a lot of this on Instagram, TikTok, when you're like scrolling through. There's a lot of these type of ads and they're super popular now. I have a cat, and what happens is I get ads with the person basically just saying, oh, does your cat scratch up all the couches and random furniture in your house? That's because they're not properly stimulated with their current scratcher that you get for them that's just cardboard. This scratcher that we designed is custom designed to totally stimulate the cat and keep them kind of fully engaged and stuff like that. And then you're like, oh wow, like I do have this problem. It's kind of annoying that all my couches are scratched up by my cat, and so let me actually try this product out. And so if the problem is painful enough, then people will make the purchase immediately. And that's one of the beautiful things about this kind of direct response kind of advertising, where like if you showcase the problem and you highlight it and it's a painful enough problem for the user or the person, then they'll buy that product immediately. And so there's a lot of this happening on TikTok, Instagram, and it works really well there. But I'm going to give you an example from a few years ago. This is from Bellroy. This is when they first came out. They came out with a product that basically competes with the traditional wallet. So the traditional wallet has been around for ages. On the screen, you'll see here, this is on the left. This is a traditional wallet. It's like a trifold kind of thing. And so they reinvented the wallet into this kind of slim profile. And this ad is what they actually used. So I'm not going to go through it because I don't want to risk getting a copyright claim or anything like that. But basically the ad had, three guys on a bench. Two of them are sitting with the regular trifold wallet, as you can see here, and they're like leaned over because of this bulge in their back pocket. And then the last guy has a slim profile wallet, and he is kind of standing up straight. And so that showcases the problem. It highlights the problem, and then it gives you the solution. And so they actually go through, they compare the wallets, and then they also explain how you can fit the same amount of stuff in this small wallet. And so they actually sent the user to this page, the slimyourwallet.com. And so if you actually go through, you can see the difference in how both the wallets expand as you add cards and cash and stuff like that. And so I think this is a really good example if you're looking for inspiration for how to make an ad that's effective on social media. Someone that's just scrolling through, they're not actively looking to solve a problem. This is a really great example. This showcases a problem. They may not have been thinking about it, but now they're thinking about it and they're like, oh yeah, I do have that problem. And then it shows them the solution immediately too. So then you can capture that sale immediately. And so, yeah, that's all. We'll see you next time.